On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don talk say dem go continue capacity develop for teachers dem for primary and secondary schools wey dey Edo State. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk am say im administration go continue capacity develop for teachers wey dey primary and secondary school for the state, as dis one follow im administration plan to tanda education matter well for the state. Make una sabi say capacity building na training of the teachers dem make dem for sabi work well and do wetin follow Edo State government plan for education sector. Governor Obaseki talk dis one when he go do check for the work wey dey shele for College of Education wey dey Abudu and the new site wey dem dey build laboratory for teachers training dem.
We have to expand this sector, come down and shift the building. Yeah, because design, the parking is outside the fence. Okay. So we decided to shift the buildings down so that we have the parking lot in front. It will not be by the roadside.
What was the additional put?
You say that you want dormitories.
Yeah, on
This side,
yes.
and a semi-stadium, this side.
Did we say we're going to put the semi-stadium here?
Yeah.
So we don't need to then have...
The other one there.
Yeah. Maybe we'll have to decide on one of them.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a sports complex. That's what we said.
Yeah.
Okay.
Governor Obaseki talk say state government dey do collabo with Universal Basic Education Board (UBEB) to build laboratory wey go near College of Education for Abudu. Make the teachers forget wetin oyinbo dey call practical sense. He talk say the laboratory go get sports complex, ICT center, hostels dem, as dem go get world-class facilities. The one wey go make teacher matter make e sweet well.
In collaboration with the Universal Basic Education Board, as part of the College of Education here, a laboratory, what I call a school for the teacher college, for the teacher training college that will help train in practical terms teachers. Well, it's going to be more like it will have demonstration schools, it will have ICT facilities, and all what you require to train a modern day teacher. We'll have a large computer center. We will have hostels, dormitories, and we're looking at bringing back the social life of Abudu. We hope this will be, from the hub of the social and communal life of this town.
He talk say work don almost finish for the class, office and hostel. As e be say wetin remain na say make the college begin dey work to employ people dem to come start work as teacher team and school matter go start next year.
It's almost complete. The lecture rooms are complete. The dormitories are complete. The offices are complete. All we need to do is to make sure that we, working with the consultants, have a very clear program of hiring, screening for staff, and doing all the things that are required to get the school started next year.
He talk say the College of Education and Laboratory Training Center go work together as them go run National Certificate Examination Program, the one wey dey sabi as NCE for the college.
It is going to be integrated because we will run NCE programs in the college to train basic and junior school teachers. But this facility will will have laboratories, demonstration schools from which they will have practicals. We're working with the World Bank on pre-service teacher program for all our teachers training schools in Edo State. The consultants are working, and what we're trying to do is to make sure that whatever we do is comprehensive and robust. We are not we're not playing to the gallery, as it were. We have a crisis in our educational system, and the crisis, part of it stems from our inability to equip and train our teachers properly. So what we're doing here is building world-class facilities that will train teachers either pre-service or in service.
Now here the informate reach on top inside Edo today as Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn am say capacity develop go continue for teachers dem wey dey primary and secondary school for Edo State, as this one go waka on top the plans wey im administration get to tanda education matter well for the state. make una come sabi say na T Live Media na im dey knack una dis ogbonge informate so. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.